we will go to night market. Oh, wow lang.
No spicy, no spicy.
How much pa?
2 ringgit, 50 cent each.
280. 280.
Ah, 280, sorry.
Then,
Ay, mana? Ay, ito yun.
Thai salad. Thai food. I notice Langkawi have an influence of Thai a little bit.
yeah, like Thai night market.
Хочешь попробовать? Maybe I take a little bit chestnut because
to bamboo. This to bamboo.
Huh? Papa? I like puto piring or what?
Ah,
I don't know, but they call puto mayong mayam.
You
like
see?
this. Like this,
we
Papa.
try.
Like little bit curious.
Ah, no, different. You see,
Ah, this different.
Something new. Something new. I don't remember we have like this. Maybe have in SG, but I don't remember, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think less common. Less common, yeah. How much?
Papa, it's my first time to see night market with fresh fish.
Yeah.
Plus 6 ringgit, 22 ringgit.
Is it suitable for frying?
Sorry?
Frying, deep frying?
Yeah, okay.
How usually this fish cooking?
Normally fry, grill, everything can make this.
Okay. How much total?
20.
Maybe you can clean. Yeah, no, that is
Thank you.
Okay, we take this one. We take this because not much eating, just enough for the dinner. Okay. $3. 3 SGD 1 кило. Я мангостина. Мы мангостина еще. Мангостин еще возьмем, очень хороший мангостин. How much 1 kilo?
1 kilo 7 ringgit.
This one.
1 kilo 10. 1 kilo 7.
7 ringgit. There is
try.
10.
We try, yeah.
Yeah.
Buat kilo apa lah?
We take box of the whole one. We take
This is nice, Papa.
maybe this one.
This one ah?
We also take this. Yeah.
This one, 2.
How to? Или давай возьмем целый. I think we take the whole piece. Have one not nice.
1 kilo 25. 1 kilo.
Yeah, we take the whole piece.
Which variety?
What variety is this? Thailand or no?
Which?
Or not Thailand or not Thailand? What variety is this? Or Malaysian?
This one from Thailand.
From Thailand?
Yeah.
Yeah, Thailand durian, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, yeah. Put in the plastic, yeah.
Okay. This one money.
How much? How much?
96.3.
How much? Five.
What size you want?
What size you want? 3, 4, 5.
Maybe 4.
4.
Yeah.
4, number 4.
For this 5 ringgit.
Fresh. Телефонная Все, на пляж не заедем? This one. Let's go, пошли. Что, нужно что-то положить? Very sweet.
Такое, да, в такую погоду, да. Ну, это неизвестно, вдруг там на горе до сих пор туман. Такое что с балкона посмотрим. Там все время на
Я не с балкона, я, наверное, поднимусь на крышу,